Hey PGL squad. So what I have today is some Maryland blue crab. Me and my family went crabbing in Maryland. And these are some of the crab that we caught out of the Chesapeake Bay. And I'm actually back in Georgia with these crab at my dining room table. So I thought I'd come and share it with you guys. So I traveled with this crab. We caught them on Saturday morning, steamed them Saturday, came home Sunday. Today's Monday. I'm eating these crab. Some people only eat their crab that day. I know a lot of people like that. I'll give it 2 or 3. So I actually eat my crab different now. So let me give y'all an example. Alright, so let's do him. So I come in, I remove the apron. I use one of these legs. Pop my shell off. Clean him with the legs attached. Break away that face. Pop him right down the middle. Clean out the guts. The people that love the mustard would just suck that out. I like mustard, but I'm gonna just let that be today. So then you have one side of your crab. And you have this back wall where you can see these segments. I'm gonna come and break this back wall away. Let's see if I can stay up here. Start breaking the back wall away like that. And you don't have to finish breaking it. See that? And then you see each knuckle. This is your back fin. Start wiggling that. Comes right off. Lay that part down. There's a little shell wall that's around that. Break that away. That's your meat. This is the back fin. What I just ate was the lump crab meat. Then I come and I eat each little segment of leg. And what I'm doing is putting it in my mouth and sliding the meat out. And that's your shell. Put it in your mouth. Start, put your teeth at the bottom. The opening's at the top. Put your teeth at the bottom. Excuse me. Slide the meat out. I absolutely love blue crab squad. I'm trying to talk to y'all, but they're so good. So we caught these crab out of the Chesapeake Bay with Captain Frank Tuma on the downtown charter. So y'all see what I'm doing, just kind of breaking it apart. But we caught these crab with Captain Frank on the downtown charter. My mom, my dad, my auntie, my niece, and my husband. We had an amazing trip. They all said it was like the best trip ever. And Captain Frank was amazing as always, y'all. So funny. My family is very straightforward. And he fit in very well. He was very straightforward. He was funny. Squad. If I go silent, I've just hit a really good spot of crab. And I can't talk. I gotta chew. So riding to Maryland from Georgia was about 10 hours. And we went non-stop, stayed, went crabbing, came back. Put in the time, put in the effort. It's the other side of crab. Let me clean it. I should have, let's hold it like that. Getting ahead of myself. Crab getting good, so hold on. Broke that back wall off. Then I'm gonna wiggle that off. But take the time to make memories with your family. You know, if you can afford it, create good memories. If you can't go crabbing in Maryland, you can do something. You can put some chicken on the grill and have a good time, put a little music on, you know? And then we rode my dad to the White House. He's been wanting to go to the White House. I feel like since I was a little girl, my dad's always kind of been in the politics and what's going on in the world. And it felt really good to be able to take him by there. We didn't get out. We rode by there. And that was enough for him. Saw the Washington Monument. Rode by the White House. Let's eat a few claws, squad. So I hope y'all have been enjoying the content. I hope y'all have been enjoying the things I've been putting out. The crab videos, the hog roast, the fishing. The fishing videos are fun to make. The fishing videos are so fun to make. I feel like there's something different. Add a little flair to my channel. And oh my goodness. The people flipped out about me using that reel upside down. I knew that reel was upside down. And I'm well aware of how to change the handle to each side. And I was scared to fish. I wasn't worried about it. The reel was throwing. And it was reeling. And it was catching fish. So I was okay with it. But I thank y'all for looking out for me, and I thank y'all for y'all's advice and for trying to give me that advice if I wasn't aware. So I appreciate that. But I was aware. And then I was like, maybe I shouldn't post that video because of that. But you know, it's okay. I wasn't gonna fish them. And I wasn't gonna let the fact that I was too lazy to flip that rod handle for me uploading. So, but I appreciate y'all being here with me. And I appreciate y'all having my back to help educate me on what I don't know. Now, if you would, down in the comments, comment some videos that you would like to see. Or if you have some recommended bait for catfishing, let me know. I'm probably gonna try bass fishing because now is the time. And I haven't caught a bass yet. I've never caught a bass. And I'm really transparent with that. You know, like, some people probably would be like, try to hide that. But I've never caught a bass. And when I catch it, we're going to experience it together. It'll be my PB, my personal best. And it's going to be a great day for us. First one's going to be like a 15-pounder, y'all. 20-pounder. And stay hopeful. Y'all, I have gotten into plants. So, my mama gave me a piece of a plant. I put it in water. And I let it grow. Propagate, I think. I think that's the term. Propagate in the water for a while, for like 2 months. I finally put them in soil. I'll show y'all. And this is what sits on my dining room table. Cute, right? Super duper cute. Squad, are y'all feeling these braids? I did them. And they are gorgeous. Let me come close. Absolutely gorgeous. Most of the time, I always do my hair. Apron. Shell. Lungs. Up, down the middle. Put one side down. Have one side. We're going to come back here. Break this back wall off. Right. Take that off. I'm gonna drop meat. I'll get it later. Eat that leg. The way we steamed them, I'm not sure what it is about it. The meat just falls out of the shell, y'all. Captain Frank recommended a little bit of vinegar. In the bottom of the pot, we steamed these crab. Me and my auntie steamed these crab. You'll see it in the video. The Maryland vlog. Captain Frank gave us the instructions. And I think the vinegar made the meat just fall out. My favorite food. Let's eat for a while. The house we stayed in, y'all, it was beautiful. It was like right across from the bay, literally. It was amazing. It was a bridge, the bay, like ships coming in all night. But now I'm back in Georgia, enjoying the fruits of my labor. So everybody got to take some crab home. So I know that was good for them. My mom said she ate hers the same night we got home. So she said they were so good. Excuse me, y'all. The crab just got good. Few seconds, okay? Appreciate you. Mm-hmm. If you're new here, blue crab is my favorite food, so you will see it on my channel a lot. I even eat these little legs. This is how I eat a claw. I even eat this little knuckle here. So if you crack it, I literally eat every part of the crab, y'all. So if you crack it, it's meat in there. And I'm gonna show you that in 1 minute. See that meat? So you just pull it out. Mm-hmm. And I know y'all probably said, that's gross. You showed your food in your mouth. But I was just trying to show y'all how much meat came out. So Captain Frank said that the reason he thinks that they steam crab in Maryland and boil crab here is because our crab are a lot dirtier, so we're trying to get flavor inside. Their crab are a lot cleaner, a lot sweeter. I think that's true. Y'all, my auntie, I'm never boiling another crab. I'm steaming every crab. So Maryland, you won her over. She is convinced crab should only be steamed. Now me, I like a good boiled crab that sits down and soaks and is juicy. And I like a good steamed crab. I like a good crab. So when you're talking to somebody like me, steam it, boil it, fry it, wrap it around, twirl it, dunk it in water, put a little seasoning on it and hand it to me. Just bring me the crab. Bring me the crab. I like on steam, boil. I like fried blue crab, garlic crab, Dungeness, snow. Blues are my faves. And real blue crab eaters understand the flavor on a blue crab. It's unmatched. If you've never had them, I recommend that you try them. I'm in my little crab mode, so if I'm eating fast, bear with me. They're good and my faves. I'm not gonna eat that no-go. I don't every time, but I was just showing y'all you can. You know, YouTube, it's fun. I do it because it's fun. I do it because I enjoy fishing. I enjoy making the content. But finding your spot in the YouTube community, I don't know if there's a spot for me. Like, I look on YouTube and I don't see a lot of other people doing what I'm doing. So, maybe that means I'm among one of the first. And I like it. I like it. Y'all like it? I like it. If you like it, subscribe. If you like it, don't just watch. Share it to your coworkers, to your mom, your dad, somebody. I know what it's like to use social media as therapy. So when I'm making these videos, I'm not only making these videos just to be making them. I'm making them because when I couldn't get out of bed, sometimes YouTube, social media helped me, you know, through. It was therapy, watching people cook, watching other people living and being okay made me want to be okay. Made me know you can be okay too. And when people are transparent and let you know, hey, I'm not perfect, but you wake up every day positive and trying. If you're here to learn how to fish, if you're here because you like crab, if you're here because you're in a dark place, you need something to watch, it's gonna help you okay. If you're here because whatever, just know I love each and every one of y'all that support me. Each and every one of y'all that subscribe and genuinely care and genuinely appreciate the content that I put out means the world to me. That goes a long way. And I've realized you have people that believe in you. It doesn't matter if it's 50 people, 20 people, 100 people, 300, and how many subscribers I got? 61 to 60 maybe. Those 360 believe in me. Those 360 enjoy what I'm doing and can see the vision and want to go along for the ride, and they've decided to become a part of the PGO squad. And I don't take that for granted, and I don't take that lightly, and I just want to thank each and every one of you guys. And I gotta show up for you guys. And I gotta keep going. So, I appreciate y'all. Enough talking. Resume. Or did I ever stop? I probably ain't never stopped doing it. Probably ain't never stopped cracking. Pick that back up. I don't think I'm done with that. Okay, now I'm done with that. Y'all, I tried to make a little ASMR video, so I was like, I don't know if I've ever saw a blue crab ASMR video. I guess I'll go on YouTube and look in a minute. There's probably one. But I was like, you should make about 10 minutes of that. So I made 10 minutes of me just sitting here cracking and eating crab. I don't know. Something just told me to make that. So go check that out and watch it. Do y'all like stuff like that? I have so many ideas for this channel. We've been on so many adventures together. Oof. And it's only more to discover. The sky's the limit. I have really been enjoying the fishing videos. Getting cold, so I might have to drive to a warmer climate to fish, maybe. We'll see. But I think y'all are enjoying them too. Once again, I appreciate your support. We putting a dent in them, y'all. We probably started with over a dozen. I should have counted them. I'm gonna count them. I'm gonna count the shells over here. 2, 3, 4. So we had 12, and I'm gonna eat all 12. I had a dozen, and I'm gonna eat the dozen. How's look at that mustard? The crab were biting a lot slower this time. This summer they were biting faster. I wanted my sister to go crabbing, you guys, but she had her own plans with her own husband. She went to the Bahamas, so there was nothing I could do. I was going one way, she was going the other. But I missed you, crabbing sister, and maybe we can go one day. All right, PGO squad. That's gonna conclude this video. I didn't intend to come on here and stay that long. I was just coming to get a few crab with you, and I done ate up my crab. Talking to y'all. That's gonna conclude this video. Thank y'all for coming. I'm not getting paid for this book. Because if you see this and you want to send, I'm not getting paid for buckets, but you know, I love the cup. If they want to, hey. Anyway, y'all, thank y'all for tuning into this video. Thank y'all for sticking around and being a part of the PGO squad. As always, PGO squad, make sure that you like, share, comment, and subscribe. And hey, if you are new here, welcome. You also can be a part of the PGO squad. All you have to do is press the subscribe button, hit the bell to make sure that you are notified first for all future videos. And leave a comment down below. Say hey. Y'all can talk to me. Say a little something. All right, y'all. Have a good day. See you later, squad.